Handheld gaming consoles like the Asus ROG Ally are revolutionizing on-the-go gaming by packing impressive power into ultra-portable packages. But at CES 2024, MSI is aiming to shake up the fledgling market with the MSI-Claw, their first Windows-based handheld gaming device. As reported by The Verge, it will also be the first handheld gaming console featuring Intel's brand new 12th Gen Core Ultra processors and XS upscaling technology rather than AMD hardware. Let's thoroughly compare these two innovative devices across critical spheres including design attributes, display quality, performance specifications, real-world gaming prowess, software experience, battery life, and other vital factors. So let's get started. At first glance, the ROG Ally looks cool and futuristic. It has honeycomb cutouts along the venting that help cool it down and keep it light at 608 grams. Striking customizable RGB lighting also gives the ROG Ally some added flair. The thoughtfully compact shape seems ideal for extended mobile gaming sessions without wearing down your hands. In contrast, MSI opted for an understated matte black aesthetic for their Claw-Handheld. As noted by The Verge, it tips the scales slightly heavier at 675 grams, but remains remarkably lightweight and portable for a high-performance handheld. MSI touts the Claw's carefully contoured and textured chassis, responsive buttons, and ergonomic grips as designed for superior gaming comfort. With a restrained design language compared to the ROG Ally's flashier exterior.
Are you struggling to explain your idea? Your audience is not getting what you're trying to say. An animated explainer video is a perfect solution for you. Explainer video simplifies any complex ideas through engaging animations, transitions, voiceovers, and meaningful scripts, which all together create a fun experience for any viewer. And here comes 10 Studio, a team of skilled professionals dedicated to creating engaging explainer videos. With over thousands completed projects, we have the expertise to create explainer videos that break down your message and connect with your audience. Get in touch with 10 Studio today.
Peering at the displays, both handhelds pack 7-inch LCD screens with Full HD 1080p resolution and silky smooth 120Hz refresh rates, based on specs revealed to The Verge and TechRadar. This allows for fluid, immersive visuals, whether gaming from your couch or on a crowded train. However, TechRadar points out the ROG Ally's display can hit an impressively bright 500 nits, while MSI has not shared brightness specifics for the Claw panel. Asus equipped the ROG Ally with AMD's latest Ryzen Z1 processors and RDNA 3 graphics, while MSI outfitted the Claw with Intel's brand new 12th Gen Core Ultra chips, leveraging the Xe architecture and XS AI-enhanced upscaling. MSI asserts their cutting-edge Intel silicon allows the Claw to play graphically intensive high-end games with ease. However, we found the ROG Ally's AMD muscle had no trouble running demanding titles like Ghost Runner at over 100 FPS. According to The Verge, the Claw's Intel platform may offer more upscaling optimization headroom as games continue advancing. For storage, we found the ROG Ally can integrate up to 512 GB of speedy PCIe 4.0 storage, enough room for several top-tier gaming installs. Meanwhile, MSI equips the Claw with up to a massive 1 TB of PCIe 4.0 storage, as reported by The Verge, allowing your entire game library to be accessible wherever you roam. Both handhelds also provide microSD expandability for even more storage capacity down the road. Regarding battery life, MSI states the Claw's generous 53 Wh battery enables up to 2 hours of intensive gameplay, even with power-hungry flagship gaming running at max settings. No precise estimates were provided for the ROG Ally's smaller 45 Wh battery, but reduced runtime seems likely. This means that the Claw might be better for playing for a long time, which is important for traveling and getting around. From its slick white exterior to AMD's latest silicon within, the ROG Ally is an undeniably polished, capable inaugural handheld gaming console from Asus. However, the Claw presents tantalizing Intel-powered alternatives, focused on customization and bleeding-edge performance in a more understated design. Software may also sway buyers. The Claw runs Windows for flexible app and game support, while the ROG Ally uses an adapted Linux distro. When it comes to pricing, MSI has stated the Claw will start at $699, the same entry price as the ROG Ally, which is available starting at $699 as per TechRadar. With high-end components and engineering, both command premium prices. However, they offer gaming of a desktop-level standard in highly portable packages, thereby offering substantial value to avid gamers seeking top-tier performance. For hardcore gamers debating between these two impressive handhelds, performance should be a top consideration. The ROG Ally's customized AMD silicon delivers smooth, top-notch gaming today, but the Claw's cutting-edge Intel platform and AI upscaling could give it an edge in the future, as titles grow more graphically demanding. Portability is also paramount for a handheld, and both MSI and Asus have clearly invested tremendous engineering into delivering desktop-like power in remarkably compact form factors built for gaming anywhere. Ultimately, choosing between the ROG Ally and Claw may come down to your priorities, whether you want incredible performance now or next-gen optimizations down the road. But one thing is undeniable. Both Asus and MSI have achieved engineering feats that bring extraordinary handheld gameplay to life for players who demand power on the move.